Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Plex, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to bring down your toggles, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those should be a battery saver one. As you can see, it's visible right over here for me. If you don't see it at all here, you can click on edit and then just add it from the list, but it should be added by default. Anyway, once you see it, you can simply tap on it, and that's it. It's now running without any kind of notification on what it will be changing, but it will be trying to preserve battery. And once you're done using it, you can tap on the toggle once more to turn it off, and this will revert all the changes that happened that weren't ever mentioned. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.